Hey guys, we're back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing Animal Company.
Hey,
with...
shh. Hi.
I'm playing Animal Company with Nifgitty Griffiths. This is gonna be a series between us two. There's gonna be probably a lot of videos on this game.
Yay.
So yeah, it's gonna be part one of however many videos are on this channel. All right, firstly,
Yo, we gotta do something.
yeah, come on this way.
What's that way?
You know it's this way.
Eric, there's a hole in the wall.
There is.
Eric, what's this button do?
I don't know. Find out. Oh. Both of us explode. You made us explode.
I'm sorry.
So mean.
Lesson learned. Do not click any buttons.
Yeah. Unless they look safe.
Eric, there's a hole.
A hole. There's a hole in the ground. Should we jump down there? We don't have a flashlight, do we?
Yes, we do.
Now we do.
I have a flashlight. But I'm not gonna keep it on.
You're so mean. There's no battery.
I have a flashlight.
Bro, I think this guy's like.
Oh, I think it's like a red light, green light thing.
Yeah.
So like when it turns
I was
green,
just
I
about
guess
to
you book
run
it
out
that
there.
way.
Ah, I've been blinded. Ah!
Look at these stilts I found.
Oh, you do have stilts.
Well,
I think we know where to go, right? This way. Let me out.
Oh, Eric, there's a green hole. We gotta go down it.
How do you know?
Because I think so.
Yeah, whatever.
I see. These
Parkour.
stilts are gonna come in handy.
I don't agree.
Why don't you agree?
I don't know. I feel like hating. Oh.
Whee! Alright, there's
Maybe
a thing right there.
Jump
Let's
on the
not
step.
go in there. I'm gonna go up here.
I was gonna go up there before you, but okay, fine. I'm faster. I'm stronger. I'm
You know,
better.
let's fix this.
What? It's not that way. Idiot. Where are you going?
Eric, where are you at?
Nuh-uh. What's
What?
happening? What just happened?
Whoa. Where are we at?
I don't know.
Wait, we were here before.
We're back at spawn.
For fun.
Come on, let's go up here.
Oh god, oh god.
Did you just die?
No.
Good. Are you sure that's the right way?
I'm not sure what's the right way.
That way.
Probably not. Let's go.
No, James, come back. Where will we even be going? I don't. Sweet. It's really dangerous using a pogo stick up here.
Come on!
Where are you?
In the pipe!
I was just in the pipe.
The other pipe.
Where? Oh.
One that does not have a board.
Well, that was dangerous. You annoy me.
Bowling.
Are you sure we should jump down there? Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Oh, actually.
Let's go. We need a flashlight.
Jump. Ladies first, James.
Whoa! Whoa!
No!
I'm alive!
Yeah, I heard you. I can barely see. That looks like a dead.
Leap of faith! It's good!
No, it's not. No! No!
Sides to the eyeball.
I survived. Not taking that.
Good.
What would you do if I didn't survive?
Cry.
I'm not making that. Oh. Wait, what? What's with the skip?
I don't even know what the heck's going on.
Oh. I agree. What is this? Where am I? I found a place with a giant artificial tree.
Giant artificial tree?
Yes.
That's really weird.
No. Oh, no. Stupid. What's that?
Ow!
What's that noise? Oh, it's a drop. Oh, it's a dropper.
Yeah, it's a dropper. Hold on, you're already there?
Yeah. Low gravity. Okay, it's scary down here. This is the last part I made it when I first played the game. Where is he? Where are you? Hello? Oh no.
Huh?
Where are you?
No.
Did you die?
No.
Then where are you?
I don't know. All I know is that it's low gravity and there's a bunch of red stuff.
Well, that's the part I'm at.
If you got to the second part with the pipes, there should be one where you just go straight forward. That's the one I went through.
Okay. Pipes, huh? Like these? I think that's what he's talking about. Can you... Ooh. Can he elaborate, please? God. Okay, let's just...
Where's the exit at? We're running out of oxygen.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, just slowly. Just it. What's that? I found a platform thingy.
I don't know what that is. Is it lava?
No, but I'm out of low gravity, so I think I made it to the end.
I hope you did.
Should I go on the plate?
plate.
I told you there's like a thing there. Should I go on it? It looks like the same thing that sent us back to spawn.
I don't even know.
I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. What's this? Oh, fish. I don't think there's a way out of here. Here goes nothing. Goodbye. Uh-oh.
Why'd you say uh-oh?
It sent me back to spawn.
Oh, so then you...
Apparently. Whew. I think you should make it back to spawn and then we end the video. I see you. James. Hello?
Hey.
We beat the game.
Yippee!
We're so cool. Okay. I'll send you. Actually, no. Yeah, but no. Okay, let's end this video. Hello? Where'd you go?
I'm trying to do something real quick.
Okay, meet me in the lab. Yeah. Wow. I'm stretching, I promise. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and all that good stuff. And as always, stay blasting, stay awesome, stay safe. Do you have anything to say for end the video? Oh, I see. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say, and goodbye.